Hey, what's up? It's your boy Hvnter, and if you want to know how Rumble pays you, well, you've come to the right video. So if you want to get paid, there's two ways to get paid. You can either get paid through PayPal or you can get paid through check. When you've earned over $50, you can withdraw that money straight away. But still keep watching the video and I'll explain more in detail. So let's talk about how and when you receive payment from Rumble. But before we do that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Also, any information that I'm telling you, you can just click on this little icon here, this question mark icon, and you scroll down and it'll tell you everything you need to know, payment inquiries and all that stuff. This is covering everything I'm telling you in this video. So let's get into this. How and when do you get paid? Well, let's go and read the text from Rumble's website itself. It goes, Rumble collects ad revenue from its various partners and the ad networks at various times. Depending on each partner payout policy, we deposit these payments into your account as they become available. These earnings between rumble.com receiving these payments and the times of those earnings become available to you to withdraw and are called estimated earnings. Estimated earnings take between 30 to 60 days to become ready to withdraw. Once you've received your finalized earnings in your Rumble account and have at least $50 in your earnings, you can start processing your withdrawal. To cash out, withdraw these earnings, you just go to your account, to your dashboard, click cash out, but it's new now, it just does it automatically, and bada bing, bada boom. As you see, that's how you get paid. It's a simple process. Let's just check out my channel. If you go to the account overview, if you see, I've got 30 I've earned $34 this month or last month, and I've earned over $1,000, and these are the like places where you go to check out your money and your stats and all that stuff. So it's your boy Hvnter telling you to check out my other videos on YouTube and look out for my next videos. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Thanks a lot. I'm out.